Today in front of me I have ZTE Blade A71, and in this video I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to begin with, connect your device to the Wi-Fi, then launch Play Store, sign in if necessary, then at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera browser to get downloaded and installed respectively. Alrighty, now it is time to launch Opera as well as undergo a very simple and brief setup procedure while launching it for the first time. So in here, tap on the blue continue button that should appear right about now. Then decide whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser from the start. And finally, on this page you are able to either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.